So on a long drive here in, I'm not sure, it could be Thủ Đức, it could be District 2, Saigon, but I saw this cơm gà and I decided I would stop off and get some. Ở đây quận Hải hay quận Thủ Đức? Quận nào?
Quận Thủ Đức.
Quận Thủ Đức.
Thành phố Thủ Đức.
Thành phố Thủ Đức. Okay, so we're in Thủ Đức City in Thủ Đức District. Okay. Lấy một phần cơm gà xôi mỡ.
Ăn ở đây.
Ăn ở đây à? Đúng rồi. Đang quay phim đúng rồi. So nấu cơm gà ở đây hả? Okay, so they cook the cơm gà here. Bán cơm ở đây bao lâu rồi?
Lâu lắm rồi.
Lâu lắm rồi hả? Very long time. Looks good, nhìn ngon.
Anh đi 2 hộp hả mẹ? 2 hộp. Để rồi con nói ba ở nhà mở nồi canh. Thôi mình hết nồi canh luôn.
So the rice is like a little bit orange. I wouldn't say it's yellow, but it's definitely a fried rice. It's not like a white rice. And then you got your different toppings here. Piece of chicken, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce. And then she's cutting up some cà chua, some tomatoes and dưa leo, cucumber. And she's got some pieces of chicken here. Cutting them up. Mình ăn chỉ một phần. Rồi. Okay, I'm gonna go sit down. I wanted to make sure. I've been having problems lately with saying 1 versus 4. It's gotten me into trouble a little bit. I saw them cooking lots of chicken, so I thought I better make sure that I'm getting just 1 plate of chicken. Thêm một nước sâm. Nước sâm. Hết nước sâm. Có trà thác. Trà thác.
Không có trà thác, toàn nước ngọt thôi.
Ok. Rồi trà đá. Có trà đá. Okay, so we got some iced tea here. I wanted to get some of this this nước sâm, but they don't have it. They also don't have the kumquat tea. This is like an herbal tea. This is a kumquat tea. This is a passion fruit. Could be juice, could be a tea. At the table here, we have some pickled garlic, soy sauce, chili sauce, little bowls, aka chain. And then we got little cups for the iced tea. Just grab one so as to not be wasteful. Very Vietnamese style iced tea. Nice and watered down, but a hint of tea flavor. Little hint of it. The pickled garlic. I'm gonna do something. I don't know if this is wild. Maybe I'm an adventurer. Maybe I'm a cavalier. But I'm gonna do something wild, guys. I've never done this before. This might shock some people. Viewers beware. Pickled garlic mixed with soy sauce. Now I know some of you are like, oh my gosh, how could you mix pickled garlic and soy sauce? That's not how you're supposed to do it. I'm a cavalier. Come on, Jill. Okay, this looks good. Nhìn ngon. Looks very good. Looks very tasty. Look at the caramelized like skin on top. Nicely fried in the oil. These tomatoes look nice and fresh and plump. Dưa leo here as well. It looks nice and crunchy, nice and plump as well. Good. It's fresh. A lot of places like you stop off here. You get your cơm gà xôi mỡ, which is this. It is a fried rice dish with fried chicken, cucumbers, tomatoes. Got a little soup here as well, Vietnamese soup. A lot of people, a lot of places that you come like this, little local eateries, they'll kind of have like things to eat, but they won't always be the freshest. Like you'll get this dish, but the vegetables won't be super fresh. So it's nice to see a place that takes a little bit of pride in the freshness. All right, let's try out the fried chicken. So it kind of fell off into 2 pieces, but I think that's a good sign. It seems like it's tender, kind of, yeah, fall off the bone a little bit. Yeah. Bang on. Very good. Damn. All right. Maybe I'm just not eating this fresh enough. Maybe I let it sit too long, but right hot off the wok like that. This chicken is tender. The outside is crunchy. Let me dip it in my concoction, my soy sauce mixed with garlic. I love the taste of garlic. Soy sauce, nice and salty. That's good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. That's very solid. Let's get a spoon here. Try out a little bit of the soup. I'm gonna get a garlic with some soy sauce. Try some of the hot soup. Not super hot, but warm enough. What is this in this vegetable in here? Is it rong bean? Is it seaweed? Chị ơi, rau xong trồng súp là rau gì? Cải sáng. Cải sáng is, I don't know. I'm not sure. Help me, what is that in English? I don't know. But the chicken, delicious. Damn. I keep saying damn because damn. My concoction. Does anyone else do this? Leave in the comments. If you also eat soy sauce with garlic, or if you've seen anyone do it, let me know. I want to know if I'm the first person to ever do something like that. I've never done it. Let's try some of the rice out. A little concoction. All right. I don't want to be way off base here, but the rice tastes a little bit like the rice that you would get with like a Mexican food meal. That might sound shocking to you, but I think it's the color. You can see I dropped a little of my concoction. The color. Something about that flavor is bringing back memories of eating like a Mexican food plate at a Mexican restaurant. Very good. See that bone? Just fell right off the piece of chicken. Very tender. I'm not holding back. I'm hungry. I just got done with a workout. I've been exercising regularly. So this chicken and rice tastes really good. First meal of the day. I got up kind of late. I've been staying up kind of late watching Major League Baseball. Yeah, it's gone that far. When we're in this deep, we got no football. Midweek, we got even no golf. I got no hockey. I got no, what's the other big sport that I like? Basketball, that's it. No basketball. So, unfortunately, watching baseball to pass the time. Vegetables, fresh and delicious. These tomatoes are very fresh, very thick slices too. I like places that give you a nice thick slice. Some places are a little bit stingy, give you like really thin slices of tomato. In my opinion, if you're gonna give such a stingy slice of tomato, just don't even serve the tomato. It's like serving a hamburger and french fries and giving someone like 5 french fries. So you're not gonna do that. There's no point. The chicken in a cơm gà xôi mỡ is supposed to be the star of the show. And it truly is the star of the show here. Very good chicken. Rice is a little bit on the dry side, but I think the dry rice is a little bit expected with this Vietnamese fried chicken rice dish. I can't lay any fault or any blame on dry rice. Chicken, tender, fresh. Soup had some ginger in it, some gunk. Good. Vegetables, fresh. Delicious. Chicken. Delicious. I'm gonna give this place certified dank 8.7. I'm leaving a little bit of rice on the plate. I'm finished. Pay the bill. Tính tiền.
35.000.
Right.
Đâu có nước gì hả mẹ?
Không có nước.
Không, sao?
Ngon. Rất ngon. Quá ngon. Cảm ơn mọi người. Cảm ơn rất nhiều. Okay, very good. Quá ngon. Cơm ngọt. Wine. Here in Thủ Đức, thành phố Thủ Đức, thành phố Thủ Đức, Hoàng Thủ Đức or Quận Thủ Đức. Yeah, come get some fried chicken rice here. It says cơm chiên gà xôi mỡ. And they also có bò. Có bán bò. Bò gì? Bò look like hả? Đây. Bò xào. Cơm bò xào. Okay. So they also have stir-fried beef rice here. But anyways, guys, I hope you liked the vlog. If you did like the vlog, click the like button, subscribe to the channel to support the growth, and leave any comments you have. I'm really happy to hear from you all. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.